The next student is Muhammad Ahmed, whose topic is Power of Youth.
Respected judges, prestigious guests, and dear audience, Assalamu alaikum. I want to talk to you about a force that has the power to shape the future, to challenge the status quo, and to bring about transformative change. I'm talking about the power of youth. Throughout history, young people have been at the leading position of revolutions, movements, and social changes. From conquering Sindh by Muhammad bin Qasim to bringing revolution in Syria by young Ahmad Ashara. Young people have been the driving force behind some of the most significant and impactful social and political movements of our time. So what is it about young people that makes them so powerful and the symbol of revolution? I believe that it's faith. It's because young people aren't afraid to challenge the society. They are not afraid to question the authority, to push the boundaries and to demand the change. They are not limited by the common belief or restricted by the old school mentality. And I believe that young people are enthusiastic, passionate, and committed to create a better world. So, to harness the power of youth, we need to adopt youth power principles: authenticity, accountability, and creativity. We need to listen to young people, hear their concerns, ideas, and aspirations. We need to create spaces for young people to express themselves, share their perspectives, and participate in decision-making processes. We need to invest in young people, providing them with education, skills, and resources to succeed. We need to support their entrepreneurships, innovations, and creativities. At the end, I would just say that youth power is indeed the symbol of revolution. And young people have the energy, enthusiasm, and idealism to challenge the status quo and to bring about transformative changes. So let's harness the power of youth and let's create a world that is just, equitable, and sustainable for all.